Hello and welcome to this video. Again, my name is Mary, in charge of training and career advisory services here at Corporate Staffing, and I'm glad to be joined by one of our CV writing experts, Diana, in this conversation. We're basically discussing about the best opening lines in your CV. Thank you so much, Diana, for joining.
You're welcome, Mary.
Great.
Yeah.
I know we've had lengthy discussions with regards to how to package yourself very well in a CV, how to showcase your skills, your achievements. Now, today, let us focus more on the opening line in a CV. And the question that I have is, what is the purpose of the opening line or the section in a CV, and how does this opening line, how does it set the tone for the rest of the document?
Okay, thank you so much for that question, Mary. So an opening line basically is in the section of career profile summary after the contact details of a job seeker. So the next section is the career profile summary. Opening line of a CV is in the career profile summary. So opening line of the CV serves a purpose to grab the attention of a recruiter. In this case, it's supposed to motivate the recruiter to read your CV further, to get to know your qualifications and skills in relation to the job advert that they have advertised. Yeah.
Wow, that's indeed a key purpose, and that's why it is very important, I believe, for every professional to ensure that they have the right opening line or statement in their CV.
Yeah.
Great. Now, focusing more on the opening lines in a CV, having worked on so many CVs from diverse areas of expertise, maybe you can share with us examples of some of the most effective opening lines that has worked very well for job seekers in different industries.
Okay, so basically open lines differ depending on the years of experience that one person has worked. The opening line of an entry-level professional and someone who has worked for 10 years of work experience, and also someone who is transitioning to a different profession, are totally different. You see, in this case, that is the first statement that a job seeker is reading. So it's supposed to show like you are either an entry-level professional or an experienced professional. And in this case, like someone who is an entry-level professional, a good example could be a motivated and result-driven, maybe procurement and supply chain professional. That is an example of an entry-level opening line in the career profile summary. But someone who has worked for 10 years of work experience and is a management professional, an opening line could be, an example is a highly accomplished and experienced professional, a highly seasoned professional, a highly skilled professional. That is the difference. Those are the two different opening lines of a CV or in the career profile summary. And someone who is transitioning to a different profession, you should showcase that a good example could be someone transitioning from a HR professional to maybe finance professional. This is someone who has had a certification, quite a number of certifications in finance and wish to transition and look for jobs in finance. You could say you are an experienced HR professional seeking to transition into finance and management professional roles. Like at a glance, as a recruiter, they'll be able to see like you are a finance professional. Yeah, they won't have to struggle to locate who you are as a professional.
Interesting. That has even answered my next question I wanted to ask in terms of how does it differ now, the opening line for an entry-level professional and a seasoned professional, someone who has had maybe over 10 years of experience in the industry. I love the way you've brought it out. And now as we wrap up, for someone watching this video, what would be your final advice to them as far as ensuring they have an effective opening line in their CV is concerned?
Okay, thank you so much, Mary. So the opening line is very important of a CV. It sells you as a professional. So in this case, it's supposed to be very captivating. It should showcase your main qualification, your key skills and competence, and also showcase your number of years of experience. It's supposed to be very captivating in a way that as a recruiter, I will be able to have that eagerness. I will be motivated to read the entire your entire CV. So an opening line should serve. It serves a purpose to motivate me as a recruiter recruiter to read your document further.
Wow.
Yeah, so you should have a captivating your CV depending on your years of experience. If you are an entry-level professional, highlight clearly like you are an entry-level professional. If you are a highly experienced professional, highlight that you are a highly experienced professional. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I know someone watching the video has been able to get to know the difference and how best to effectively ensure that the opening line in their CV is an attention grabber.
Yeah, yeah.
And as we mentioned, of course, it sets the tone
Yeah.
for the rest of the document. Thank you so much for sharing with
You're
us.
welcome, Mary.
Great.
Yeah.
When it comes to opening lines of whether it is your CV or even the cover letter, if you're required to share any, it is important to ensure that it is an attractive opening line, because definitely it sets the tone by encouraging the potential recruiter or the hiring manager to gain interest or develop interest in reading the entire document. And that is why we even encourage you to reach out to us, share with us your CV. Diana and her team will be able to reach out and advise on whether the opening lines that you have, depending on the years of experience that you've had in the industry, is serving as an attention grabber. If not, how best can it be tailored to sell you out for the opportunities you're applying for? We hope you find this insightful. The link below will guide you on how to share with us your CV, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.